Stay tuned to see how I created this gorgeous exotic vein countertop. This countertop is about 13 square feet, and I am using 4 ounces per square foot of PolyKote hybrid countertop coating. 80% of this recipe is using Savage Patriot's Brilliant White tint for countertops. I'm just getting the material laid out to start. The full recipe includes 80% Brilliant White from Savage Patriot, 10% Crater Lake Blue Mica, though you can use any blue you'd like, 5% Turquoise Diamond Effect from Black Diamond Pigments, and 5% alloy, but again, any silver or gray will work. Once I am done laying out all of the white and rubbing all of my edges, I will take a little bit of the Crater Lake Blue and the Turquoise Diamond Effect on my hand and start to create a background. Once I have my color down, I'm going to gently smooth it out and just create a soft marble. After about 10 minutes, I go ahead and add the colors for my exotic veins. I'm starting with Crater Lake Blue as my first color. Now I will add the Turquoise Diamond Effect. Next, I pour out my alloy. I continue to layer colors over each other until I've used up everything in my cups. And finally, I am adding more white on top of the other colors that I've already put down. I am now priming my roller, which is actually a 4-inch foam roller for this design, but you can also use a 1/4-inch nap roller. I start by pushing the material into each other. So one color pushes over another color. As you can see, I'm not really letting the roller roll. I'm more using it as a tool to push the colors around and create its own little ribbons. I use just the tip of my roller really gently to blend out any hard lines. And after just a few minutes, everything has leveled out and blended beautifully.